Hi everyone, this video is going to explain two things: how to check your overall grades in the Grades tab, and then how to find and open previous assignments a lot more efficiently. And so if you're sitting on the home page, you're going to want to go to the Grades tab. Actually, on any page you can access this because it'll just be sitting on the toolbar across the top. Go to the Grades tab, click Grade Report, and you'll notice that all of the courses you're enrolled in will be listed here. I'm currently enrolled in 2. And so you don't see your overall grades just on this page. To see your overall course grade, you need to actually click on a course and it's going to expand the grade book. You'll see your course grade for the overall is sitting down here. I'm getting a B. And then you'll also see that it shows you the different categories within that course. And so this one has 3 different categories: formative writing, reading, and summatives. You'll notice that the reading category does not have a drop-down arrow, which suggests that there are no assignments in that category right now. Okay, so that's how to see your grades in the Grades tab. This is the most effective way. You can open both courses at the same time, right? You'll notice I'm not doing very well in the second one. And when you're done with it, so that it makes your life a little easier, you can close the ones that you are not looking at. But if I wanted to access some of these assignments that I'm missing or that are late, right, instead of having to comb through your course and go through all the different folders and find the correct file, what I encourage you to do is to notice in the gradebook where it's missing, and then it's actually linked directly in the gradebook. And so if you click on the assignment title, it's going to open in a separate tab to that material. And so you can go ahead and do whatever work. You can make things up, you can redo things. And so using this grade tab is a really efficient way to see your standing in all of your courses and then access all of those late or missing assignments.